Good day, I'm Carrie Smith and this is your JIS News for Monday, November 11. Government is likely to sign off on amendments to the ban on smoking in specified public spaces by this month end. Minister of Health Dr. Fenton Ferguson says he is awaiting a report from Cabinet following the recent deliberations by the Human Resource and Social Development Committee of Parliament. Speaking on Sunday during JIS TV's current affairs program Issues and Answers, Dr. Ferguson said about 30 interventions relating to the policy had been implemented since it came into force on July 15.
We are yielding as it relates to smoking in homes, although we are going to be ramping up the public education because remember your children, your helper, because the question of workers, remember, these regulations were put in place to protect workers, children, non-smokers and smokers themselves.
Minister Ferguson said government remained adamant that the health objectives of the regulation would not be compromised in any revision of the policy. Persons who access the services of the St. Anne's Bay Hospital will soon notice an improvement in the delivery of health care at the facility. Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson says a number of measures are being implemented to improve patient care at the hospital. Just recently, ground was broken for a $74 million female medical ward, which should be completed by January.
What else have I done? We have broken ground to build 2 new operating theatres to improve the throughput. That's an additional $140 million.
About when you think that might be completed?
That one, I believe, should be completed about March, April. It's somewhere there.
Construction is to begin next month on 3 diagnostic and care centers for students with special education needs. The centers, which are expected to cost $40 million, will be built at the Sam Sharp Teachers College in St. James, the Church Teachers College in Manchester, and the College of Agriculture, Science and Education in Portland. Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites, who made the disclosure in a recent interview with JIS News, said the center should be up and running in 2014.
We're going to be asking the universities to assist us with people, particular skills that we need, speech therapy, guidance counseling at a different level. And schools will be able to send children who they can't handle to these institutions for diagnosis and for therapy.
The 3 centers in rural Jamaica will end the need for parents to take their children to the Microchild Assessment and Research in Education Center in Kingston. There are also plans to build a similar center in Old Harbour. The Port Authority of Jamaica has engaged stakeholders in discussions concerning the proposed development of the Goat Islands. This follows an environmental scoping study on the area identified by the Chinese for the establishment of a $1.5 billion transshipment port and industrial commercial economic zone. The meeting included persons from communities in the Portland Bight protected area, members of academia, environmentalists, the maritime sector, and the business community. Port Authority President and CEO Professor Gordon Shirley made it clear that the environmental management scoping study was in no way intended to replace an environmental impact assessment. This, he assured, would be undertaken after a framework agreement had been done and the project submitted to Cabinet for approval.
In environmental impact study to be designed in detail. No approvals would be given for a project to go ahead prior to that environmental impact study and all the other assessments having been done.
A summary of the key points of the Environmental Management Scoping Study Report can be viewed on the PAJ's website at portjam.com. And finally, the Ministry of Tourism and Entertainment is looking for exciting new events to be endorsed under the Reggae Month It's Kingston for February initiative. The initiative is aimed at leveraging the unique value and cultural significance of reggae music while attracting more visitors to Kingston. Selected events will be endorsed by the Jamaica Tourist Board and included in the Reggae Month It's Kingston for February calendar. Interested persons are invited to complete and submit the request for endorsement form, which may be found on the ministry's website at mot.gov.jm/entertainment. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Carrie Smith. Thanks for watching.